There's a fucking tornado!
Over to the left, dude. For real. Oh
Like, yeah, you can't see it on the camera. Over there, it's like super dusty and ugly. There's a tornado happening!
There's a tornado to our left.
And there's tumbleweed everywhere.
Oh, God, show ass. I'm sorry.
Dude, is there a fucking tornado?
Oh,
it's getting super fucking windy.
There's a tornado right in there. Ah!
Oh, God!
It's the end of the fucking world.
We're gonna fucking die. Yo, it was a good trip. Good trip.
We may have died, but it's okay. It's not in vain. Dude, look at the fucking street bending.
Oh my God. At least we're going out in style.
We're getting holy fucking shit.
Yeah, I'd slow down, dude. Oh my God. What the fuck? Oh, Jesus. Can't see shit.
Oh my God, they're everywhere.
Holy fucking
End
hell.
of the world. I need to pull over, dude.
Oh my God.
There's tumbleweeds and shit everywhere.
Oh my God. It's fucking World War III out here right now. Where's the tornado? You're fucking crazy, dude.
Fucking semi just goes mobbing by.
He doesn't give a fuck. He's got truck. He can run over shit. God damn. I haven't seen raindrops this big since fucking Iowa. I wish you could see through the camera. It's ridiculous. Oh my God. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Chaos. Look over there.
All of our shit's gone. Oh my God. Pay attention.
Sure no, dude. There's a fucking tornado over there.
There is a fucking tornado over there. Oh my God. It's that fucking sunlight that was beaming through the clouds. So much.
To get out of this, the better.
So much for our Twitter names.
Oh.
Hello, trucker. Is that just one big tornado?
Yeah.
What the fuck? I think we're out. We're in the safe zone. Holy shit!
God damn.
It's super dark. Fucking crazy. How do you feel about this experience?
What a crazy fucking weekend.
Yeah.